Good morning, everyone. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, canning recipes, a little bit of everything. It is a nice, cool morning. They're getting rain to the northeast of us. I don't think we're going to get much, maybe a couple of sprinkles. But I'm noticing in one of my wicking tubs with sweet potatoes that the leaves are starting to die back. So I think I need to go ahead and dig some of these up today. So let's see what I got. I'm very excited. So this is the tub. I think that there's some in there, and you can see some of these leaves are starting to die off. So I bet there's more, but as we go down, there's still some that are looking pretty hardy, the green leaves and stuff. So I'm gonna kind of pick through and see what I can find in these and leave what I can. What we did initially is we planted one row of tubs, and then as they started spilling over, we pulled some of the vines over and let them root in other tubs. So I think that's what's happening, is there's probably about a 2-week gap in between our plantings. So some are coming to fruition and some may need a little bit more time. But I bet this one, oh, see, I already see one peeking out here. Oh yeah, that is a good size sweet potato. So let me go and start digging in this. I'll put my camera on the tripod so you can see what we got. Let's get to digging. Of course, this is gonna be the first one I'm gonna pull. Oh my goodness. Ooh, this is gonna be a nice one. Holy cow, guys, look, this is our first sweet potato. How beautiful is that? Woo, we're gonna keep going. Oh, here's a little one. Oh, here's another one. Still some that could keep going. But it looks like wow guys, unbelievable. Grew these in a wicking tub. Can you see that? Look at there. Here's another one. Oh yeah. Very pleased. Holy cow. Little one, I'll put that out for the little bunny foos. Oh yeah, I feel another one down in here. Well, that's quite impressive, isn't it? Yeah. We want to try to keep the dirt so we can rejuvenate it with some compost. Holy cow! Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Look at these, guys. I'd say not bad for a first go. Come here, honey. Holy cow, these did very well in the wicking tubs, guys. See what's over here. Oh, yep. Another. We are going to have to scout out these tubs today. Oh my goodness. Yeah, see? We don't want them to start rotting in there. Wow. This is just one tub. Oh no. Oh my goodness. Put that out for the little foos. Well, I'm quite impressed, folks, that a wicking tub gave us some very nice sweet potatoes. They may not be pretty, but they're pretty to me, and they're certainly edible. You can bet on that. Wow. Let's see what else is down here. Okay. Well, we'll be doing this again. I'm gonna have to take these in and weigh them. Here we can see what we got from this one tub, which looks to be quite, hey, where'd my shovel go? Substantial. Wow, guys, wow. Praise the Lord for this. A silver lining this morning. So let's go in and weigh them. And see what we got from one tub. I'm just going to dig in this one a little bit. I don't know that I want to go into that depth unless I feel some big ones in there. So we got 7 pounds from that one tub, guys, from one wicking tub. Gosh, I don't even know where to start here. I think this is one that may need a little more time. I'm not feeling any right off the bat like I did in that one, in that first one. Yeah, this one needs a little more time. Let's go on the other side and see. So let's check this one here. Yeah, nothing's sticking out to me. So these are probably going to take a couple more weeks. We'll look for the, I feel one. It's not ready yet. I don't think. No. It's going to take a couple more weeks, I bet, for these. Let's move to this one. Whoops. Yeah, I feel some in this one. But I'm not comfortable pulling them up yet because the leaves are still looking really healthy. Sorry. Yeah, I think they're all going to need a little bit more time. See how green the leaves are? So I checked all of these. You can see here, we might start getting some out of this one, but I think we're looking at a couple more weeks for the rest of these. I don't know why that one came to fruition so quick, but it sure did, and I'm so thankful. If we get near even half what we got from that first tub, we are going to have a fantastic sweet potato harvest. So I know a lot of you have been waiting on that to see how we're doing. I pray that we continue to do well in the rest of these. So stay tuned. Thank you all for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button, guys. Share our videos. Again, thank you all for your support. Take care. God bless, and we'll be in touch.